Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI story creator in Instagram. What I need you to do is to go into your app Instagram and then tap your story right here, tap on it, and right here you will see a feature that says AI creator or exactly AI images. So you just need to tap on it. I don't have that option for some reasons. I need to send the feedback to the Meta, and I need to wait for some time to get it. I will explain to you exactly how you can use it. So guys, as I told you in the help center of Instagram, it says go to your story by tapping your story at the top of it, then tap AI images. I show you exactly where you can find it. Then select one of the suggested templates or tap the entry field at the bottom of the screen. After that, describe an image that you'd like Meta AI to generate. They will set you too many examples like cat playing violin or a dog playing around, etc. Then tap this icon, that one. After that, select one of the Meta AI generated images, and as we all know, once you are finished, you can tap your story or close friends, and then you can tap on post. So guys, it's simply to be done and to be completed. It's will take just a few steps from you, and you are done. Anyways, guys, if you find that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.